Super muddy 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. It's real dirty. Welcome back everyone. Like it just said on the screen, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got this 2010 Jeep Wrangler and it is covered, every inch of it is covered, is caked on is a better word, especially the undercarriage. It was a struggle, but the transformation at the end is definitely worth the wait, so stick around, check it out. Using a 2100 psi Simonized platinum electric pressure washer. It was sufficient for the job, but I mean, it was a struggle. You couldn't take any long sweeping passes or move a lot of dirt all at once. You know, you had to kind of focus in one area and just move it and keep on trying. But eventually we got it done. This Wrangler's equipped with some front and rear aftermarket bumpers and some nice headlights and some aftermarket lighting. Stick around to the end, we turn them all on so you can check them on and see what they look like. had just rained a couple days before the Jeep was dropped off, and some of this mud was still actually even wet and thick, and there was just so much of it. Quickly realized this undercarriage sprayer, especially with my pressure washer anyways, it wasn't even making a dent in it, so after a few futile attempts I decided to just take it back old school and get on my hands and knees, get dirty, and spray until it gets clean. A couple hours later, now it's on to the foam cannon. This is just a cheap one I got off Amazon. Link is in the description, as well as any of the other products we used during the detail, so check them out. What's the dirtiest vehicle you guys have ever cleaned, and how long did it take you? Drop it in the comments below. I actually had to shovel the mud in between rinses and foam cannon and everything. It was just giant piles everywhere. There was a lot of cleanup. I might make a video just on the cleanup itself. Either way, the owner didn't want anything done on the interior, but I hit up a lot of the high touch surfaces with some steam and cleaned it up and gave it a quick wipe down, did all the windows for him. Just wanted to make sure I sent it back looking better than it came in. After 11 long hours, it's finally looking pretty good. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Tune in every week, we got a new one, so enjoy the reveal.